This is my turbo Miata we're getting ready to drive, and it's been parked for a while, and it's January in Ohio, so it's cold. Thankfully it hasn't snowed in a while, and it's been raining, so a lot of the salt should be gone. So we're gonna break this thing out and cruise it to the gym. I never really got the cold start dialed, so it doesn't like to start great cold. And I'm not really a professional tuner. I know enough to get by, but I'm not by any means gonna be able to get it dialed to 100%. Like with the tuner studio, I can turn auto tune on and I can let it do its thing. I can set the parameters and whatnot, but I'm not gonna go in there and make a tune from scratch. It's just not, I'm not that knowledgeable on the matter. But I am gonna just pull it up before I start the thing, just to see, make sure everything's good. Because like I said, it's been a while since this thing has been driven. The battery hopefully is not dead. I didn't unhook it, so we're about to find out how many volts we got. 11.7. Okay, it should start, probably. Depends on how much I'm cranking on the thing. I don't even know if I want to try and look at the cold start stuff, because I've messed with it before and it just never seems to work for me. So I know I got it started last time, but we'll see. I'm about to find out here. Put these down so you can hear a little bit what's going on. All right, let's see here. Yeah, it almost acts like it's getting too much fuel because it hits that hard spot. Give a little throttle. That poor starter. Yeah, I don't like that. So I don't honestly, I have no idea, dude, because it hits a heavy spot, like it's loading up on fuel, and it kind of, and like slows down rotation. So I have no idea what in the world to modify to change that. I have a feeling it'd be in the cranking settings with the fuel modifier. Maybe see if it likes that. I doubt it. I don't know if that helped or made it worse. It's not even trying now. Well, I didn't hear it do that heavy rotation. I didn't hit a heavy spot. Let's go 150 over. I don't know, dude. I honestly don't know. I could always do the flood clear, make sure I don't flood the dang thing. It's too much now, I think. Let's flood clear it. Get all that crap out of there. Okay, try again.
911, what is your emergency? I hear shots!
Oh, buddy. Yeah, that's not trying at all. Oh, I'm gonna kill this battery, dude. I gotta be careful. Okay. It definitely likes more fuel. It's almost too much though. It definitely seemed like way too much fuel. Everything rattles in this thing, dude. This thing is not held together. We got a squeak. Hopefully that goes away. Okay, it liked more fuel. We're gonna raise this up just a little bit to even that line out. And then we got warm-up enrichment. That's already doing its thing. So this will gradually get higher, the AFR. This stuff I've got pretty dialed. I've never had it down to -40, so I don't think that'll ever see that. But yeah, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing half the time. I'm just kind of winging it, and that's how we're here. But we're gonna let this thing warm up, and then we'll rip this thing to the gym. Hopefully y'all can hear me. This thing is straight piped from the turbo back, so it's an MK turbo kit with the 3-inch downpipe, and it had the MagnaFlow muffler on it, but that thing quieted it down way too much. So I just took it off and put a straight piece through it. I might put like a 14-inch vibrant resonator on it, something a little smaller, but something that's not gonna take away all the sound. So, but right now it's straight pipe. Hopefully it doesn't leave me stranded. Oh, the brakes are sticky. There was some surface rust on them just from sitting. I did a quick look over of everything, so just to make sure nothing was broken or out of the ordinary. No power steering in this. No AC. Factory no AC. And factory no power steering. 1.6 1991 long nose crank. It's got an aftermarket clutch, unsprung clutch, lightweight flywheel. So there's going to be some chatter from the transmission just because of that lightweight flywheel. I don't know if the PPF is aligned properly, because I didn't install the clutch and flywheel, so I have no idea if they aligned it properly. Got a little bit of a hanging idle going on. I don't know what that's about. It's at like 1300. I am noticing the TPS is sticking around 1% when I let go of the throttle, so that could be it. I might have a TPS issue. That's okay. I tried to recalibrate it and it didn't make a difference, so maybe I got TPS going out, or I got some noise in the wiring somewhere. So I've read you can have some electrical noise that can screw with the TPS. Nope, she still rips. It's making only like, I think 6 or 7 pounds of boost, maybe a little more now. I got a Mishimoto boost controller on it, and it's limited to about 6 pounds right now because I'm running into a spark issue. It's starting to blow out the spark, so I'm just gonna get the coil on plug conversion for these and go from there. I think the Toyota plugs is what I'm just gonna go with, because the power numbers I'm shooting for, I'm not gonna need anything crazy, and it's super clean and easy with the Toyota coils. I don't know what's going on with the trans or the clutch or whatever, but it has never felt great. All the brakes are screeching. Gotta get that scaling off of them. It smells like coolant too. Yeah, this thing's definitely a project for sure. I actually traded my 1985 Celica for this thing. In hindsight, probably should have kept it, but this has a way better aftermarket, and these are way more sought after, especially with what I'm planning on doing with it. I'm planning on fully painting and restoring this thing, doing like an OEM plus build with the turbo, obviously. So right now it's just kind of in its rough draft stage. Turbo is insane. There's no blow-off valve on it, so it's just straight turbo flutter, which is not good Chinese turbo too, so I have no idea how long it's gonna last like that. Yeah, that transmission chatter definitely gets old. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the lightweight flywheel. I might put a regular flywheel in it with an upgraded clutch that's sprung. Just something that's a little bit more drivable and streetable, because yeah, I'd like to take this to the track sometimes, but it's not going to be a designated track car. It's going to be a putz around town and go to work and go to the gym and cruise type car. I'm not looking for a track car in this thing. So some of the stuff the previous owner did, I'll probably change. Like I said, just to make it more streetable. That turbo lights up, man. 6 to 7 pound boost is not a lot, but it feels good in this. It feels really good. We got good oil pressure, we got good coolant temps. This gauge is not accurate at all. The coolant temp gauge, neither is the boost gauge either, so because Tuner Studio shows a different number every time. I'm gonna put this window up. Gotta love crank windows. Gotta reach across just to put your window up. Gotta love the 90s. Yeah, I bet all you guys can hear, or the majority of what you guys are hearing, is that, because that's all I hear. You can maybe hear the flutter a little bit, but I definitely don't want to keep that lightweight flywheel for that reason. Yeah, it revs like crazy. It'll rev, free rev like that, like a dang motorcycle engine. It revs quick, but it's not worth the drivability. It's so bad, especially on the highway. Oh, them brakes. Oh man, I need to get on them so I can get that scaling off. Such a good car though. The heat works great, so this 40-degree weather is like nothing for it. It blows so hot. Yeah, and I think the clutch engagement needs adjusted too, because it's really hard to go into gear, and it's like right at the bottom too. So when you're on that pedal, you move your big toe, it's engaging. So I don't even know if it's disengaging all the way. That might be why it's so hard to put into gear. It's so loud in here. Everything vibrates, everything rattles. It's a lot different than my wife's Audi. That thing is loud on the outside, but on the inside it's refined and smooth and quiet. This just rattles your teeth out. That's the whole experience. So that's why I love it. It's part of that experience. Some of it's annoying, don't get me wrong, but yeah, just something about it just keeps you hooked. Just big toe in it, hearing that turbo. All in all, I mean, it's not driving awful. Steering wheel's crooked, needs an alignment, definitely needs a professional tune, but for what it is, man, I got this thing value wise, I probably got it for 7,500 bucks. No rust anywhere. It came from Virginia. Dude, yeah, I think my exhaust is hitting something. Oh yeah, brakes. Oh my gosh, yeah. That scaling is bad. Holy crap, dude. I have like no brakes. Does Compass want to race me? They're probably turning left. On green. gonna be packed, man. 4:30 on a weekday. It's gonna be so busy. Dude, them brakes are bad. The idle's still hanging. Dude, that trans is so loud. Kitty, go! Get out of the road! Don't get hit. Pop! Oh yeah, just cruising. I miss driving this thing, honestly. I used to drive it like an hour to work every day, and then I just decided that the transmission was annoying me too much, and the weather got really bad. And it's on like stock 195s, I think, so not great traction, especially in the snow. Well, oh, the brakes are very bad. Gosh, dude, that is so loud. Extremely loud. Yeehaw. Welcome to the Y. Give him a little riff. Oh, my phone just fell out of my pocket, brother. I hate when that happens. Oh yeah, parking little cars is the best. Oh yeah. What do we think? We want to mess with the TPS anymore? Probably not. Yeah, it's not idling great. Maybe it is fuel related. Yeah, it shouldn't be idling at 12 though. That's way too rich. Something else is going on. Yeah, see, I'm off the throttle and it's saying it's at 3. That came back down to 1.5, 2.5. And it's not the pedal sticking, because when I pull up on the pedal, it's not doing anything. My guess is the TPS needs recalibrated manually. It needs readjusted on the actual throttle. Yeah, it shouldn't be at 1.